Lindeman. I'm from the United States in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and I'm 46 years old. I've had MS for 20 some odd years. It has affected my bladder, my speech, and motor coordination. And I'm here with great excitement doing both physical therapy, acupuncture, and the stem cell with the hope of regaining some of these functions that I've lost. Let's see, the people here have been super helpful and very cooperative and very inviting, and the facilities are first class. The hospital has been very clean and very good to be in, and we have our first treatment tonight at 5, and I had physical therapy yesterday. The weather's been beautiful, and the people again have been so encouraging. So it's a great place to have come to.
Great, thank you, Richard. And could you tell me just a little bit more about your diagnosis? Do you remember the date of when you were diagnosed?
I don't remember the date, but I was back in '88. I was running quite a bit and started to go numb on the bottom of my feet and went numb from my chest down. And they called it transverse myelitis. And then the following year I went blind in my left eye. They tried some steroids to not much avail, and I regained some of that, but I'm still blind here. Anything else?
Okay, and since then, has there been any other progression?
Yes, for the first 10 years, I did pretty well. Continued to be able to run, being very ambulatory. I would say the last 5 years have been the hardest. I've been in this chair for 2 years, and so I'm looking forward to hopefully getting back out of the chair.
Okay, great, thank you.